Have you ever wondered about the future of AI and how it will impact our lives? As we delve into the evolution of artificial intelligence, it's fascinating to see its progression from simple pattern recognition to the complex algorithms we see today. The current state of AI, known as artificial narrow intelligence or ANI, has practical applications across various industries, but the future? That's where we find artificial general intelligence or AGI, a concept that takes AI to a whole new level. ANI has already started to reshape our world, but the future holds even more exciting possibilities with AGI. At the core of AI's evolution is a pivotal component known as machine learning. Think of it as a method of data analysis that automates the creation of analytical models. It's like a digital detective uncovering hidden insights without being explicitly programmed where to look. From healthcare to finance, it's being used everywhere, revolutionizing industries by making predictions, enhancing optimizations, and improving operations. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, mimics the workings of the human brain, processing complex data to drive advanced AI functionalities. With machine learning and deep learning, AI is becoming smarter and more capable, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. However, as with any technology, AI and machine learning come with their own set of challenges. Data privacy is a significant concern, as machine learning often requires large amounts of data, raising questions about the ethical use of this information. Furthermore, algorithmic bias, where algorithms reflect the prejudices of their creators, is another pressing issue. But the world of AI doesn't stop evolving. Emerging trends like AutoML, which automates the process of applying machine learning, and the integration of AI with other technologies, are transforming the landscape. Despite these challenges, the future of AI looks promising as we continue to explore and innovate. AI's future is fascinating, isn't it? It's intriguing to ponder the possibilities it holds and the impacts it will have on our lives. From revolutionizing industries to addressing global challenges, the potential is simply staggering. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, let's remember to consider the ethical implications, ensuring we use this technology responsibly. If you found this video informative and interesting, please subscribe, like, and share. Together, we can explore the exciting world of AI and its potential to transform our lives.